Hi guys, this is me Vizihanem and welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can speed up and slow down your video. So let's get started and just upload your video on the canvas. Now we will see this man is walking normal. We want to increase the speed of this, so we will just select the video and we will go to this playback option and we will drag this slider from the right side and bring it till 2. So as you can see, our speed is increased, and if you increase the speed of this video, so the timing of the video will decrease. And as you can see, the man is walking very fast. If you want to slow down the speed of this video, we will just drag this slider from the left side. So as you can see, the video time is increased till 48 seconds, and the man is walking slow. And so this is the way you can speed up or slow down your video. I leave in the comment section if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.